Hello my dear scholars, I'm Shiv Pratap Singh. Today I'm here to continue my lecture series on building materials. Click on the I button if you want to see previous videos of this lecture series. Today I'm going to go through the types of cement. In previous videos I was covered compressive strength of cement and specific gravity of cement. So in building materials we have a total of 15 types of cement, like ordinary Portland cement. Second one is rapid hardening cement, extra rapid hardening cement, or also called as ultra rapid hardening cement or calcium chloride cement. And we have a high alumina cement, sulfate resisting cement, super sulfate cement, Portland pozzolana cement, Portland slag cement, low heat cement, quickset cement, also called as gypsum free cement, and acid resisting cement, air entraining cement, hydrophobic cement, water resisting cement, expanding cement. Okay, so what is the ordinary Portland cement? We have some properties. We need to discuss some properties of ordinary Portland cement. So ordinary Portland cement, okay, OPC. It is a most common variety of cement. Basically mostly used, ordinary Portland cement is cement which we mostly use in general purpose for building, for making construction. Okay, so it is most common variety of cement. Most common variety of cement. Okay, so why its name ordinary Portland cement? Its name is ordinary Portland cement because the resembling is done in Portland. Its name is ordinary Portland cement because its resembling is done in Portland, which is in England. Okay, Portland in England, and it is a ordinary Portland cement is first discovered or invented anything is by Joseph Aspdin in 1824. Okay, first discovered by Joseph Aspdin in 1824, right? It also called normal setting cement or Portland cement. Okay, why it is called ordinary Portland cement? Because its resembling is done is being done in Portland, England. Okay, in OPC, in ordinary Portland cement, we have a three grades available: 33 grade and 43 grade and 53 grade. There are three grades of cement of OPC. We have three grade of cement. We have three grades of OPC cement. Okay, what is it? Grade 33, these grades also denoted by representing on the basis of IS codes: IS 269 1989, grade 43, IS 8112 1989, grade 53, IS 12669 1987. Okay, so in these grades generally we use 43 of grades in 50% used in Indian industry. In Indian industry generally we used grade 43 cement of OPC. Okay, 50% of the construction is being done by using the grade 43 cement. Okay, now let me move on our next types of cement, which is rapid hardening cement. And wait, we have something remaining for these grades of cement. we have some values for these grades of cement, like grade 33, grade 43 and grade 53. Okay, we have some physical requirements of these grades of cement, like first, fineness. As we discussed earlier, fineness is being done by air permeability test and sieve analysis. Okay, so fineness of 33 is 225, and also 43 also have 225, and 53 also have 225. And second, soundness of 33 cement. Look, as we discussed in our previous lectures, soundness test is being done by the help of Leach-Atelier apparatus and autoclave method. Okay, so by Leach-Atelier apparatus we measure soundness in Leach-Atelier apparatus on millimeter, and for autoclave method we measure soundness on the basis of percentages. Okay, so Leach-Atelier apparatus values 10 mm for this, 10 mm for this, and also 10 mm for this. And if we find soundness by help of autoclave method, its value is 0.8%, 0.8%. It also have 0.8%. Similarly, it have initial setting time and final setting time. And as we discussed earlier, final setting time is tested by the help of Biquet apparatus. Okay, so initial setting time it's about less than 30 minutes. Same for this, and for final setting time it is about 10 hours, greater than 10 hours time, also for this 10 hours. Okay, and it have compressive strength, different compressive strength for different days. Compressive strength for 3 days, for 7 days, for 28 days. For 3 days 33 grade of cement have, and a compressive strength cement is tested by the help of a universal testing machine. For 3 days it have 16 megapascal. For 7 days 33 grade have 22 megapascal, and for 28 days 33 grade have 33 megapascal. And for 3 days 43 grade have 23 megapascal. For 7 days 33 megapascal, and for 21 days, I'm sorry, this is 21 days. Okay, for 21 days it's 43 megapascal. And 53 grade of cement for 3 days 27 megapascal, and for 7 days 37 megapascal, and for 21 days it's 53 megapascal, right? So this is all about ordinary Portland cement. Now we move on rapid hardening cement. So rapid hardening cement. Okay, so basically rapid hardening cement, why we use the rapid hardening cement? We use the rapid hardening cement because we need early setting, we need early strength, we need removal of framework, early removal of framework, and ground more fine. And so some points of rapid hardening cement is rapid hardening cement is similar to OPC, except that it has high content of C3S and C3A but lower content of C2S. What is C2S? C3 is tricalcium silicate, C3A tricalcium aluminate, and C2S dicalcium silicate. So basically OPC, ordinary Portland cement, and rapid hardening cement is both similar, but there is a difference in both of them, that in rapid hardening cement the content of C3S and C3A is high as compared to, and lower content of C2S as compared to OPC, right? And in rapid hardening cement, generally C3S content is about 50%. 50% of C3S content, right? And rapid hardening cement is used where we need to early strength, early setting is required. Used where early setting and early strength is required. Okay. And rapid hardening cement is not used for mass concreting, that is not used for the construction of dams, gravity dams, construction of bridges. Okay, because if rapid hardening cement is used in mass concreting cement, the inside temperature increase and it will lead to cracking. If we use rapid hardening cement in the construction of bridges, construction of dams, there is increase in temperature. Okay, there is increase in temperature and it will lead to cracking. Okay, so rapid hardening cement is not used for mass concreting structure. Okay, so it also have some properties which is, and it have some remaining points as its shrinkage. In shrinkage, if we discuss about shrinkage in rapid hardening cement, shrinkage would be more in rapid hardening cement. And rapid hardening cement attains strength in 1 day that OPC attains in 3 days. And one more basic difference between OPC and rapid hardening cement is the strength which is attained by rapid hardening cement in 1 day is equal to strength which is attained by OPC in 3 days. Okay, that is the strength of rapid hardening cement is 1 day. Strength of rapid hardening cement in 1 day equal to strength of OPC in 3 days, right? Because it is used where early setting time, where we need to early setting time, early strength. Okay, that's why. And it have some properties. That property is that its 1 day strength is 1 day strength is about 16 megapascal. Its 7 day strength is about 27.5 megapascal. Its initial setting time is about 30 minutes and its final setting time is about 10 hours. That is all same as OPC. Okay, so this is all about rapid hardening cement. Now we have, if we add some calcium chloride in rapid hardening cement, it is converted into extra rapid hardening cement. Okay, so extra rapid hardening cement is obtained by grinding 2 to 2.5%. By adding calcium chloride in rapid hardening cement, we get extra rapid hardening cement. So extra rapid hardening cement is used where we need to more quickly early setting. Okay, quickly early strength. And accelerator, calcium chloride is used as accelerator in rapid hardening cement to converting it as extra rapid hardening cement. So, okay, so what is accelerator? Accelerator is an admixture which enhance the rate of hydration, so setting time will be quick. If we need more setting time, more than setting time as we get in rapid hardening cement, we add an accelerator of calcium chloride, which is calcium chloride is accelerated in rapid hardening cement, and after about 2 to 2.5% of calcium chloride, after adding this, it is rapid hardening cement is converted into extra rapid hardening cement, also called as ultra rapid hardening cement. Okay, so how we obtain extra rapid hardening cement? Extra rapid hardening cement obtained by obtained by grinding 2 to 2.5% of calcium chloride in a rapid hardening cement, okay. And for adding we have only 10 minutes. We have only 10 minutes for mixing this accelerator, mixing this CaCl2 in RSC, mixing this CaCl2, and we have all and transporting and placing. In these 10 minutes we need to cover all these things. We need to cover mixing, we need to cover transporting and placing in these 10 minutes, okay. Because say after adding this CaCl2, its setting time is very quick, its setting time is more than RSC. Its strength time is very quick, okay. That's why we need to done in these 10 minutes mixing, transporting and placing, okay. It is also called ultra rapid hardening cement and also called calcium chloride cement, okay. So CaCl2 is as an accelerator, and accelerator is what? Accelerator is admixture which enhance the rate of hydration, or so setting time will be quick, right? Its initial setting time is 10 minutes, and as initial setting time of RSC is 30 minutes, and its initial setting time of extra rapid hardening cement is 10 minutes. It is used where we need to where we need more quickly set of cement, okay. So this is all about extra rapid hardening cement, the rapid hardening cement and ordinary Portland cement, okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, and watch this video again for OPC, RHC and extra rapid hardening cement. And we have now remaining about 12 cement in which we discussed in our next lectures. So thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, take care. Good day.